Across the board, bumaba yung mga 50 series NVIDIA GPUs. Biggest drop we saw was for the 5090, average price of 182,000, bumagsak to 170,000, followed closely by the 5080 from 87,000 to 76,000. This is Sulit Pa Saturday, where we take a look at GPU and CPU pricing data from our price watch tracking sheet. Dami pang pricing data para sa ibang GPUs and CPUs. Makita mo yan lahat dito. Or panoorin mo yung latest price watch episode namin sa YouTube, where we break down all of the important GPU and CPU pricing trends. 5060 down from 20,400 to 19,690. 5070 down by just 500 pesos. 5070 Ti down by around 1,500 pesos. Maliit yung ibang price drops, yung iba malaki. Pero kitang-kita yung trend niya, at least for this month, pababa yung mga 50 series prices. Ngayon, may hard data ka na to decide kung panahon na ba bumili or hold muna. See you again next week for another Sulit Pa Saturday.